In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually resize images in Hubspot content. We're going to walk through a simple, practical way to resize images directly inside the Hubspot content editor. This works whether you're updating a website page, a landing page, or a blog post. And it's great when the image is already on the page and you just want it a little bigger or smaller without leaving the editor. First, open the piece of content you want to edit in Hubspot. That might be a page or a blog post, but the process is the same. Once you're in the content editor, scroll to the section where your image is located. Go ahead and click directly on the image you want to resize. When you do this, you'll see a blue border appear around the image. That blue outline is your cue that the image is selected and ready to be adjusted. Now that the image is selected, look closely at the corners of that blue border. You'll notice small drag handles on the corners. To resize visually, move your cursor over one of those corners, click, and drag in or out. Dragging inward will make the image smaller. Dragging outward will make it larger. As you drag, Hubspot automatically keeps the image proportions locked, so it won't stretch or look distorted. This makes it very safe to resize by eye, without worrying about accidentally making the image look squished or stretched. If you prefer more precision, or if you have specific size requirements, you can use the alternate method. With the image still selected, look over to the left-hand sidebar in the editor. There you'll see fields labeled width and height. Instead of dragging the corners, you can type in the exact pixel dimensions you want. For example, you might enter a width of 600 pixels to match a design guideline or to keep your blog images consistent across posts. When you change one value, Hubspot will typically keep the aspect ratio the same, so the image maintains its original shape. This is especially useful if you're working with brand standards or you want every image in a section to line up neatly. Once you've either dragged the corners or entered your pixel values, take a moment to scroll through your content and see how the resized image looks in context. Make sure it doesn't overwhelm the text or appear too small to be useful. When you're happy with the size, simply save or update your content, and your changes will be live.